Sir, in the last video, we covered about I pattern. Now let me talk about J pattern, how you can write. Sir, just observe 7 by 5 table what we have. Now J, how it looks like, sir? Do you know? Here something like, can I use, do you know, this type of style? I hope you can use, sir. Here just, I'm taking, here just have a look once, sir. Sir, usually how you can write J in this style? Regarding J means in this style. Now, do you know, we can remove this one because curve is required, and even we can remove this one because curve is required. Now observe, happily you can see, sir, this is J style, sir. How you can write the code for this? Okay, what syntax, I mean what similarities you have to identify. Observe that first row. The first row contain how many star symbols? Sir, one, everywhere star symbol is there. Do you have similarity anywhere? No, only first row is special when compared with the remaining, right? Let me complete only first row first. Okay, here for row in range of 7, for call in range of 5. Okay, here I'm taking here if row is equal to 0, sir, first row, I want star symbols everywhere. That's why print star, okay, comma, end is equal to space. If row is equal to 0, print a star symbol, comma, end is equal to space. Like this we took, sir. Sir, now first row completed. Sir, next, what is the next row? Sir, one row. Only one star symbol is there. Do you have any similar rows? Yes. Second also only one star. Third also only one star. Fourth also only one star. Have you observed? So 1, 2, 3, 4 rows contain only one star at the second column position. Are you getting? So call is equal to 2, row is either 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to take the star. Okay, now I'm taking elif row in 1, 2, 3, 4. Row in 1, 2, 3, 4, and the call is equal to 2, sir, and the column is the 2. So row number 1 call 2, row number 2 call 2, row number 3 call 2, row number 4 call 2, is column 2. Okay, now I want to star in these positions. Print star symbol, end is equal to empty, like we can take. Okay, that's all. So if elif, okay, sir, now 0 row completed, 1, 2, 3, 4 completed, right? Sir, now what is the next one? Sir, fifth one contain how many star symbols are there? Okay, fifth one again 2 star symbols are there. No similar row. Okay, so 0th column and the second column star symbol is there. 0th column and the second column star symbol is there, sir, if row is the 5. Now observe, elif row is equal to 5 and the call in 0, 2, sir, and the call in 0, 2. Now observe carefully, here fifth row, row number 5, 0 column and the second column I want a star symbol. So okay, like so row is the 5, call in 0 or 2, print star, comma, end is equal to empty, like this we can take. Okay, that's all. So elif, like this, right? Sir, next, what next? Here almost row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 completed. Last row, sir. For the last row, 6th row, how many star symbols are there? Only one star. Where it is available? In the 1th column position, it is available, sir. In the 1th column position, it is available. That's why what I'm trying to take, elif row is equal to 6. Elif row is equal to 6. 6 I'm taking. Print a star symbol. Sir, 1 minute. row is equal to 6 and the column is equal to, please observe, row is equal to 6, column is equal to 1. Okay, like row is equal to 6 and the col is equal to 1. Can you please print a star? N is equal to space. Okay, row number 0 to 6, all rows completed. What is the next one, sir? We have to take else in all remaining. Can you please take spaces? N is equal to like. That's all. Sir, now this is for every row, in every column we have to take like this, right? Sir, next row should start in the next line. Okay, that's why here print like we have to take. So any doubt about this one? If I execute this code happily, you can see J, alphabet symbol J in the console. Observe carefully, sir. Here have a look once. Sir, I'm trying to take, sir, this is the J, sir. I'm trying to take here. Observe. So in this first row, if you observe, in the first row only star symbols are there. In every column position star symbol is there. Do you have any similarity in the remaining rows? No similarity in the remaining rows. That's why write the code separately. Okay, if row is equal to 0, can you please print star symbol, comma, end is equal to, like this I'm taking, sir. Okay, well, 0th row completed. Next, do you know, in the 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, these 1, 2, 3, 4, sir, star symbols are available only in the second column position. Are you getting? For row 1, 2, 3, 4 and the col is equal to 2, star symbol is there. Okay, like now elif row in 1, 2, 3, 4 and the col is equal to 2, sir. Okay, like let me take parenthesis for readability sake. Okay, next and after that col is equal to 2 I'm taking. Okay, print star symbol, n is equal to space, like this I'm taking, sir. Okay, that's all. So now it is so row number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 completed. Next row number 5. How many star symbols are there? Only 2 star symbols are available in the 0th column and the second column. Now elif row is equal to 5 and col in 0, 2, sir. So in 0th column and the second column. Okay, like and col in 0, 2. Print star symbol, comma, end is equal to, like I'm taking, sir. Print a star symbol, comma, end is equal to, like, sir, this one got completed. Next, elif. Sir, what is the last one, sir? The last one is the sixth one. Sir, here how many star symbols are there? Only 1 star symbol. In which position, sir? First column position. Okay, elif row is equal to 6 and the col is equal to 1. Now print star symbol, comma, n is equal to, like this, right? Now observe carefully, sir. So 0 to 6 all rows completed. In every row the required columns already covered with the star symbols, right? Now the remaining else, can you please print space, sir? Okay, in all remaining, can you please print a space? Okay, next row should start in the next line. That's all, friends. This is the simple code to print alphabet symbol J to the console. Remember this one? Now have a look once, sir. Let me execute this code. Have a look once. You can see alphabet symbol J to the console. So any doubt about this terminology, sir? I hope it's very clear for you people, right? Just practice very easily. You can do that. I don't think it is very difficult for you people, right? Any doubt?